So today in this video we will make some experiments. So this button is coming from Dell OptiPlex series. Okay, by the way, similar to other power switch button for all Dell OptiPlex. Okay, so we will not do some soldering or anything else. So this is the basic one, no soldering. Okay, so even if you have no tools, you can fix most probably the power switch button. Okay, like no power. So this time we are using the air freshener because the air freshener have alcohol also. So but if you have 100% alcohol, it's better because it's easily to evaporate, you know, it will automatically or quick dry it up. So here we have secondary alcohol content of this air freshener, so we'll try to spray and switch. Okay, so the contact of the switch, not okay, just small amount, little amount. Okay, other side, and you need to press continuously, like more times, like okay, successively this one, and after that you need to dry it up using some cloth or tissue, just to make sure that it's properly clean. Okay, so this time it's neat because no desoldering and no deformation of the switch. Okay, so few clicks, okay, just to make sure that the contact is you know, clean, and hope it will work. So to those who have no tools like soldering iron, soldering lead or anything, this is the tricks. So by the way, I only just apply yet this one to Dell OptiPlex switches power button. I didn't try yet to other brands like HP and Lenovo, so I don't know. I think it will work because they are similar switch. Okay, so let's try. So I need to rub with the clean cloth. If you don't have clean cloth, you can use the tissue. Okay, just to make sure that it's clean, because air freshener have, you know, it's like moist. Now I think it's clean, so I need to plug it in the computer, the CPU. Let's try this one, if this one will work. Okay, otherwise I will do manually, like the soldering and soldering. So let's press. Oh, it's working, it's working. So see, even if you don't have tools, when you have this kind of problem, like when you press the power button, it doesn't work. So this one only, but make sure to remove this one from the switch, okay, from the motherboard or from the computer before you do this you know, spray. Again, turn off, power on again. Let's check if working. Yeah, it's working. So that's the thing. Okay, so I hope this one will help you. So like and share if you like the video, and see you in the next video. Bye.